Drill grinding. Sharpen a drill bit with a bench grinder. Tools required: a bench grinder, the blunt drill bits, leather gloves, vise, a tray of water, safety goggles. Hold the drill bit firmly. The tools also come in handy when operating the grinder, as they ensure the bit remains at a right angle during the process. Hold it straight and maintain an angle of 60 degrees. Sharpening the drill bits. Hold the bit in the 60-degree angle for 4 to 5 seconds and grind. Cool the bits in a tray of water. It is important to cool the bit frequently, after every 4 to 5 seconds. Test the bit. Once you achieve the desired sharpness, test the drill bit. For detail, please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe.